How to create an online store for home and garden products. Hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create your online store using squarespace.com. So this is the main page of Squarespace. You click on get started and it will take you to choose one of the templates that already exist in the platform. They have a lot of templates, a lot of pre-made templates that will make the job easier for us. And they also have the blank template if you want to build your online store or your website from scratch. So here we have, if you want to filter by type or by topic. So let's filter by online store. And let's see if we can find gardening or home. So this is the home and decor. Let's see if we can find the gardening. So let's go with home and decor. And let's see what we're going to find. So those some templates, some good templates. This one is also good. It's for flowers. Another one for soup. So they have, as you can see, they have a lot of pre-made templates and they are a good templates, not just some random templates. They are good made templates. So let's see if we can find a good template that will suit us. Let's change the filters. Let's undo the home decor. Let's see all the templates. So here we can see all the templates. So just scroll until you find the template that you want to choose. So I'm just scrolling till I find the good template that I want to go with. So I'm going to choose this template. This one, it looks pretty simple. So if you want to see the template, you just click on preview Ventura. It's the name of the template. And here you will be able to see the template. If you want to also view the demo site, just click on view demo site and you will see the website in full. So this is our template. As you can see, it needs just a little bit of adjustments and some little design, and it will be good to use. So let's start with this design. We click on start with this design and wait for them to set things up. So I run into a little problem. Just click on start with this design again and it will work just fine. So they are setting things up. They will request a title for the site. You just give it a title and you can always change the title whenever you want. It's not that big of a deal. So you just wait for the site to be uploaded. So here it is. So here we will give it a title. Just give it a title like home decor or your niche home decor and garden or something like that. And then you click on continue. Then you close these tabs and you will be able to see your dashboard. So this is our dashboard. Here we have a lot of sections. where we can adjust a lot of things. For example, in website, you can adjust your pages, add a page, or delete the ones that already exist in the template. So let's go back, and here we have the commerce section where you can see your orders, your inventory, or if you want to create a new product, or to set your payment gateway, or if you want to change the ways that you sell with, if it's memberships or custom merch, and so on. And in marketing, it's obvious where you set up your marketing tools and your email campaigns and your pixels and stuff like that. And in scheduling, it's for the people that have a consulting business to schedule appointments or meetings. Analytics also is obvious. It's after you sell something, or if you want to check the traffic, geography, or your orders, conversion rate, and stuff like that. And in profiles, you check the profiles of your customers. And in settings, it's where you can set your domains, your Google Workspace, and your permissions, site language, member areas, also your cookies and visitor data. You can also set your payment gateways by clicking on store payments. You can add your Stripe account, PayPal account, or your Square account if you're from the United States. So this platform is very easy. It's not that hard. As you can see, you can just go through it and you will understand everything. And for editing this template, you just click on edit and you will see the template in full. It will take the full screen and you will be able to work on the template by just dragging and dropping, deleting sections, adding blocks, editing the header, the footer, also changing the site's the style of the site and everything like that. So here we can add a section, you change this section, add a block from here. If you want to edit the section, change this image, you can just go to background and you will be able to change the image. If you want to add a video or an art, if you want also to change colors, so you can play with these adjustments until you find or until you meet your requirements. So you can just work with this the same way. You can change the text just by clicking on that text. You can change it. So here you can just click on this pencil and you can change the text in here, change the title right in here, change your description. Also you can change the design if you want stock or flat. So you can change anything you want. You can change also the storage and stuff like that. And also you can delete this section by clicking on remove. You can move it up or move it down by these ones. Also you can duplicate this section. You can add blocks, and if you want to change the site styles, you can change the fonts in there and the colors, animations, spacing, and all of that. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends.